Welcome back here, and today I'm taking you through an electric wiring work that we are done with. So on this here we have light here, there's a porch area, and we have two ceiling lights here. That's the main entrance, but we cannot access it now. There's a socket outlet here that will be controlled from the living area. These are junction boxes here. So for the time being, I'm going to use this. There's going to be a window, but for the meantime, I'll use it. So that's a wall light. These are the switches arrangement. We have our switches and stuff there. There's an air conditioner power point. Sockets outlet. This is going to be the TV side. We have our ceiling lights. The light is going to be combination of track lights and LED aluminum profile lights here. And so that's a living area, or a living room, and also a dining area. And then we have that's track lights at some section, and also LED aluminum profile lights at some section. And then together with it, we also have some wall lights in both the living area and also the dining area. There's visitors toilets, and that's a light there. And then that's to the kitchen. So the kitchen is also going to feature that's a spotlight, and then also LED aluminum profile lights as well. There's the switch here in the kitchen to the outside door. This is a water heater system and its power point there, and then the ceiling lights in the kitchen storage. And then these are other power outlets in the kitchen as well. And then we have our grid switches here, and then also a water heater and air conditioner switch here. So that's the grid switch that we have labeled the various appliances or the various circuits there. There's still in the kitchen storage, still in the kitchen here. Now I'm going to the upstairs. That's a two-way switch. That's when you are ascending the stairs, and also there's another one at when you are descending from the stairs. These are wall lights there. There's the master bedroom, and it's a porch area or balcony. There's the master bedroom, and the master bedroom also features that spotlight arrangement, and also LED aluminum profile light. That's to the master bed washroom. We have a shaver unit there. We have a ceiling light, mirror light, and then there's a water heater system there. So we have its power points as well. These are the switch and also the water heater switch for the washroom. And then there's the switch arrangement for the main master bedroom. That's from the main entrance. And then there's a family area. So the family area also features the same thing, that LED aluminum profile light and also spotlight. And then it also has a 4-wall light here. There's the stairs area with this light. These are the switches or switch arrangement in the family area. And then in the there's a small hallway there with ceiling lights and also a CCTV setup there in the hallway. There's one of the bedrooms. There's the switches arrangement, switches there, and then a TV area there. And also in the bedrooms we have or it features that LED aluminum profile light, and then also a normal sports light. Switches to the washroom. That's power point for a water heater unit, and then ceiling lights in the washroom. That's a shaver unit, a mirror light, power point there. And then to another washroom or another bedroom, sorry. That's lights, switches there. And then that's the washroom light, the ceiling light, and then the power point for water heater units in another bedroom. And also in this very bedroom we have it features a spotlight and also LED aluminum profile light. And then also in each of the bedrooms we have it features 4 socket outlets. That's 2 on the bed side. So on the bed on the left side and on the right side there are socket outlets for table lamps or bedside lamp. And then also on the TV area where you will mount your TV, you have that's the socket outlet there.